everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably looking for the best way to keep your luxury vinyl plank, LVP, flooring in tip-top shape. Today, we're diving into how to deep clean LVP flooring to make it look as good as new. So let's get started. 1. Gather your supplies. First, you'll need a few supplies: a soft bristle broom or a vacuum with a soft brush attachment, a mop, a bucket, a gentle vinyl floor cleaner, and some clean, dry microfiber cloths. 2. Clear the area. Start by clearing the floor of any furniture or rugs. This will give you a clean surface to work on and ensure you don't miss any spots. 3. Sweep or vacuum. Next, sweep or vacuum the floor to remove any loose dirt and debris. Use a soft brush attachment to avoid scratching the surface. Go over the entire floor to make sure it's completely clean. 4. Mop the floor. Now it's time to mop. Fill your bucket with warm water and add a small amount of the gentle vinyl floor cleaner. Dip your mop into the solution, wring out excess water, and start mopping the floor. Be sure to rinse your mop frequently to avoid spreading dirt around. 5. Spot clean stubborn stains. For any stubborn stains, use a microfiber cloth dampened with the cleaning solution. Gently scrub the stain in a circular motion. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive tools, as they can damage the floor. 6. Dry the floor. Finally, use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe the floor and remove any excess water. Drying the floor prevents water spots and keeps your LVP flooring looking shiny and new. And that's it. Deep cleaning your LVP flooring is that simple. By following these steps, you'll keep your floors looking great for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning and home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.